Okay.
Okay, so is what I understand you taking the deal?
Yes, I am 100% accepting it. I have no issue with it.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Larry.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
So how would I get the information? Are they gonna like mail this information to me so I can get it, or?
I'm gonna give you the number to probation. You're gonna call probation after you either today or tomorrow about that. And what do they usually do?
They tell you take a test. A review date.
All right, I'm calling the case City of Detroit versus Larry Golden, case number U5992121. Ms. Bradfield, your appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Mr. Golden. State your name for the record, sir.
Larry Lee Golden Jr.
Your Honor, it's for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings.
Okay, and I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Golden, off the record, we spoke about resolving this case. There is an offer in the file to plead to the amended count of disorderly conduct. I do want to let you know that you have a right to go to a trial. You understand that, right?
Yes.
And by taking this offer, you're going to give up that right to go to trial. You understand that, right?
Yes, I do, 100%.
And you're doing that. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, and you're doing that on your own free will, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Golden, I did say I would fine you $240. There's going to be some other repercussions that go along with this before we can get this thing closed out. You're going to have to take a morality class. You're going to have to get tested. And I'm going to set you up with a number for probation so that you can do that.
Okay.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in the matter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Golden, you can put your hand down. I'm going to draw your attention to January 28th, 2021 at around 6:15 a.m. in the area of Parkhurst and Brush, the city of Detroit. Did you happen to come across a Detroit police officer on that day?
Yes, I did.
And were you, what did you do?
Basically, I was on my way to work. I stopped.
I just need the basic. All right.
Okay. Basically, I was out there soliciting.
Mr. Golden, did you approach a female and ask that, or a person, a female, and ask $20 for an act of sex?
Yes.
Okay. And did that person end up being a Detroit police officer?
That I'm unaware of.
Well, I mean, I think I think the factual basis is made. Do you agree with me, Ms. Bradfield?
Did you offer money in exchange for those sexual services?
Yes, I did, but I wasn't aware if she was an officer or not. That's what I was.
It really doesn't matter, because it doesn't matter if she's an officer. If she wasn't an officer, it's illegal anyway. So we got a factual basis, and we will. You're satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm going to fine you $240 in this matter. I'm going to, do you have a number for probation?
Yes, Your Honor. 313-965-34.
965. What did she say the last four numbers was?
3414.
I'm sorry, the phone was breaking up.
Yeah, I got it. The court is going to order you to take a morality class and get tested. You're going to be able to contact the probation tomorrow morning. And will they give them 3 months?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm going to give you 3 months to get that done. So we'll have you back here on 9/10/2021. And at 9.
Yes, you can.
And if everything is done, then you will be closed out under the amended count of disorderly conduct.
He needs the number again.
Needs number again.
He needs the number.
313-965-3414.
3414. Okay.
It's nothing.
And you said 9/10/2021 at 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. September 10th, 2021. That'll be the review
Okay,
date.
9 a.m.
That we'll expect you to have the fines paid off by then. We'll expect you to have the testing done, and we'll expect you to have the morality class taken.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions?
So would I have to have like paperwork for this stuff, or would it be like entered into y'all system where y'all can notice that?
No, they're gonna have the paperwork. And they're gonna give you, it's all set up. All you gotta do is call that number and do what you're supposed to do, and you'll get some paperwork. Make sure you hold on to your copies of the paperwork, and everything will be taken care of. If you have any issue, then zoom back in, and we'll see if we can take care of you. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Counselor, who was first? I have 2.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I believe Ms. Bradfield was here before I was.
No, Ms. Bradfield is, she's with us today. We have the distinct pleasure of having Mrs. Bradfield, so you're up.
All right. Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm John Trummer, P75097, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Dustin Obeid. He is with us on Zoom. Mr. Obeid, could you unmute your camera and phone, please?
I don't know how we got. All right.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's
Good. We have.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop. Just forward a minute.
I did too.
That's why I'm.
You had a school over here, Mr. Obeid. Well, he still may be an attorney. You had to sign in like you were a lawyer yourself. That's why I was asking the 2 counselors who came first. But let's see. Okay, we had one of these earlier today, and I think that you might want to set a pretrial date in this one, counselor. And because this one is a 6-point offense. Well, a 6-point offense at the very least.
It's a misdemeanor, I believe.
Yeah, they were only offering 4-point offenses. I'm sure with your reputation, you can probably, I don't know, maybe do better. I know you can't do much, or you're probably not going to get much worse, but that's going to be up to you and your client. You want a pretrial date? I don't even have an offer in the file now, so we'll.
Yeah, if we could have a pretrial date. I haven't received complete discovery from the people, okay. And I haven't been in touch with whoever is assigned this file to engage in negotiation. So I'd like an opportunity to do both of those. Okay. So as far out as the court is able and willing to set this out would be appreciated.
Well, I have July 30th as a date. Is that going to work for you, or do you need more time?
Let me double check that date. That will work for me, and I think that gives me certainly over a month to figure out if I can talk to someone over at the prosecutor's office.
All right, I'm gonna call the case. This is the State of Michigan versus Dustin John Obede. Case number SX38214161. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. Counselor, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. John Trummer, P75097, appearing with and on behalf of Dustin Obede, who is appearing by Zoom technology. We would waive our formal appearance in our physical appearance in court and ask that the court allow Mr. Dustin Obede to appear virtually today.
Your motion is granted.
And we'd waive formal reading and stand mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Obede's behalf. I did say that I can give you a pretrial date of 7/30/2021 at 9 a.m. I will put a $100 personal bond on this.
Thank you, Judge.
And if there's nothing further, we will see you back on the 30th of July. Any other questions?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day, Mr. Obede. Be safe.
Thank you.
Let's see. Who is B. Wood?
That's me, but I don't know why it didn't show my actual name. I don't know why.
All right. What is your actual name, ma'am?
Sequoia Green.
What you saying?
Sequoia Green.
Green?
Sequoia Green.
Ms. Green?
My first name is Sequoia.
Okay.
My last name.
No offer, no insurance.
Yes.
All right. So I don't have. I need Griffin. I need Mrs. Is that Miss Griffin?
Grisham, I don't see on the docket, but he is online. He said he's scheduled for today.
We don't have it. All right, Mr. Grisham. Let me.
You didn't even on
Yes.
Let's see.
What's his middle name?
What's your middle name?
Dawood.
Spell it for me, please.
Dawood.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases. No, 7, 8. Nine, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right. I don't have a file for you. Is there a file?
That's for support. No, she-
Yeah, I don't have a file for you. We'll arraign him. He's got warrants out, so. Do you have Mr. Grisham's information? You don't need anything. We're just gonna get Mr. Grisham a pretrial date, get these warrants off of him so he won't be out there with these warrants.
Okay, no problem, Your
Okay. Calling the city of Detroit versus Carl Dawood Grisham. Case numbers SP 1057410, counts 1 and 2 SP 117272, 9 counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 117273, 41, SX 8656961, and 134361051, and 144258081. Appearances for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield, on behalf of Mr. Grisham. State your name for the record, sir.
Raul Gresham.
All right, Mr. Grisham, can you speak up a little louder and spell your first, middle, and last name, please, for my court report?
Carl, C-A-R-L. Raul, B-A-W-O-O-D. Gresham, G-R-E-S-H-A-M.
Your Honor, my clients have matters that are in warrant status. We would like to ask that the warrants be recalled at this time. And for purpose of arraignment, stand muted away from the witness and request a pretrial.
Okay. I will recall the warrants. I will enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Grisham's behalf. I will set a pretrial date in the matter for July the 30th, 2021. If there's nothing further, and I will place $100 personal bond on each of the matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, Mrs. Grisham, Mr. Grisham and Mrs. Bradfield, then you are free to leave, sir.
Is that a thank you, Mr. Grisham?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the 30th.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Did we lose? Who's that? Miss Green, did you change your name?
I changed it.
Oh, you did?
No, I think somebody else did.
Yeah, we changed it. I have Mrs. Shakora Green. Let me look. Three cases, 4, 5. We got 5 cases for you, Mrs. Or India Green.
Yes. Sakura India Green.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3. So unfortunately, we only have an offer for 3 of the cases. So in order to get you an offer so you don't have to come back, we wish we could do that, but we don't have a courtroom prosecutor this afternoon, so we're going to have to set this matter for a pretrial.
Okay.
So we can get an offer, and then you'll have an opportunity to review the offer, discuss it with an attorney, and determine whether you want to take it. You'll still have the opportunity to go to trial on the matters if you want.
Get out, close the door. Okay.
20. Okay. So, Kate, the court is going to call the City of Detroit versus Shakora India Green, case number SP 11454871, SP 11454872, 20455-264, counts 1, 2, and 3. I do see that Mrs. Green has warrants out in the latter 3 cases, so can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Green. Take your name for the record. Ms. Green?
Socorro Green.
Your Honor, for purpose of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for formal readings. We would also like to ask that the warrants be recalled, and we'd like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial date and request personal bonds in her matter.
Yes.
Mrs. Bradfield, your motion to recall the warrants will be granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on Mrs. Green's behalf. And I just have I'll enter a not guilty plea on Mrs. Green's behalf, and I will, wait a minute. Why don't I see this?
Which one?
This ticket is closed.
I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, it was a couple of times where I tried to go to a kiosk to pay my ticket, but when I put my information in, it had told me that they couldn't find my account. Like no matter what I searched it from, my name, the ticket number, it just wouldn't pop up.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, Ms. Green, I don't mean to cut you off, but you can't pay these tickets. These tickets have to be adjudicated first. So I don't see any civil infractions that you have. I do see the one ticket in the file as was closed. And that, I don't think I didn't even call that case at all anyway. So that was a pretrial date, 7/30/2021 at 9 a.m. I recall all the warrants. I will issue a $100 personal bond. And we will see you back on 7/30/2021 at 9 a.m. Anything further, Ms. Green?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I will set a pretrial date for these matters so we can get all these on the docket at 7:30 on July the 30th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
Okay, and is it something that will remind me, or should I just write it down now?
Yeah, write it down.
Okay.
Put it in your calendar in your phone.
You should write it down, Ms. Green. So let me make sure that you're, are you still at 17221?
Yes.
Okay, you should get a notice, but don't rely on that.
Okay. So which day again? I'm sorry.
You got ink pen?
What day was it again?
You got ink pen, Ms. Green?
Yeah, I'm writing it down right now.
All right, July the 30th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Those three that was weren't on here.
Oh.
You put those, make sure that those
Yeah,
get
so it's 2 on the docket, Your Honor, then she had 3 of them.
Yes. Thank you.
Judge, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I have the pleasure of having your wife in front of me today.
Oh, really? Okay.
So if you want to.
You see her beautiful
Oh,
picture.
yeah. So, Mr. Daisy, okay, let's go with Ms. Green. You're all set to leave if you don't have any further questions.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
She not-
Keisha Edmonds. Do you have Miss Edmonds, Miss Bradfield? Miss Edmonds, you're gonna have to turn on your audio.
Is that her name?
Lakeisha.
Oh, is she under someone else's name? Because I thought you only had the GLs and O's.
Yeah, I thought you're right.
Right, you were trying to get. Audio?
That's it.
Is there audio on here?
And Miss Field,
I'm gonna send her a chat.
I sent her a chat already.
Oh.
Yes, Judge.
I said, I'm sorry that I've changed course on you.
Oh, that's okay.
All right. How may I help you, Ms. Bradfield? This is substitute evaluation.
Yeah, that was the one for,
Yeah, we don't know who the person is. Connect.
Hi, Miss Bradfield.
Huh? How are you?
Good.
Good.
I know, but he really,
you could do.
you couldn't do it.
All right, Dave,
Oh,
all of his cases, he's got one of the so I want to just make sure that we enter these.
Are you printing all of them out? All the ones they have at one time? Okay, so I can go back.
Friday.
Yeah, so I can go back and do them. Okay. Can you call and find out where the case is? Because they didn't bring me any cases for tomorrow.
We don't get to.
Huh?
We don't get to.
We have show causes that's been in there, but if anything they put on the docket, they haven't sent. I've been wrote in 2 days. So. And this is ridiculous. This July 2nd. This is July 2nd. This craziness right here.
We're gonna knock them all off.
July 2nd. Okay, okay, put it out July. I'm actually leave it out.
It should be fine for him, so.
Here.
This is 4 pages. This can't be 4 pages.
No, they can't be. We have 4 pages.
All right, I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna be out.
Yes, Your Honor. Sure.
I am. I have to. Okay. All of these. Is that $100 person?
Yeah.
But I want to make sure it's super fractional.
Everything put on July 30th.
Yes,
Okay,
everything.
because
Yeah.
he was already scheduled for September 10th.
Okay, so we'll get it done. He says we told him July 30th. So we'll get it done. right on here?
Yeah.
That's all.
I already-
1, 2,
I already know how you operate here.
6, 7, 8, 9. I thought it was 8. I didn't call one of the cases.
Every,
I don't think Ms. Evans is gonna send her a chat.
I sent her 2 chats.
Okay. I think that's gonna conclude it for us.
225, you're the. Why would you have to be? You can't just do one thing for me.
Sir?
Can you cross out? I didn't want to cross out. Can you just cross out? You didn't mean to dismiss this. This is what you said she had to pay. This was her probation. Did you tell her
Yes.
she had to pay that?
Yes.
No, I didn't do it. Oh, I didn't do it. Thank you.
You can cross it out if you remember.
Because I remember you saying, no, you gotta pay this.
Yeah, I mean, that's what she has to do, yeah. That's a good looking. If there's nothing else,
That's all. Yeah.
Ms. Bradfield, it's always a pleasure.
Likewise.
And if there's anything else you need from me, just give me a call.
All right, you all enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, have a great one.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Fields, thank you very much.
I'm Judge.
See you, Maya.
Okay, bye, Mary. Mary, I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Should I close it out?
Close it out. All the way down. So she'll probably log on tomorrow.